Good morning friend. Myself Reena Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 4 biofuel CNG. Okay. Today we discussion about the topic is simple definition of this CNG. Then this what is the manufacturing this process of CNG and also the advantage, disadvantage and properties of CNG. Let me start. First we discussion about the simple definition of CNG. Okay. What is a CNG? Means CNG is also known as compressed natural gas. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. It is an eco-friendly, means alternative to gasoline is made by compressing natural gas. Main part is methane. So what is the chemical formula of methane is CH4. Okay, means CNG as a fuel is safer than to gasoline and diesel because it is a non-toxic and also the does not contain this groundwater. Also the effect of this less pollution, reduce the CO2 and reduce the greenhouse effect and also the global warming. Also the you can use the many application is a home and also the vehicle as a fuel. Okay, it is a simple definition of CNG. The use of CNG fuel is becoming more popular with both commercial and non-commercial vehicle. Okay, it is a simple manufacturing this process of definition of CNG. Then next point is what is the process manufacturing this process of CNG. Okay, you can see the diagram of this process of CNG means natural gas. So first is methane. Methane is the main part of natural gas with dipping this earth in crust to produce a methane. Means the methane is like this earth in 4,600 to 9,000 meter depth in earth's surface. Also the 550 centimeter means the water vapor. It is a first is sulfur, then water separation and nitrous oxide. Okay, nitrogen is separation process to reduce the separation process and the CO2 is reduced and the purification of this gas, which gas is methane. 98% part of methane. It is a part of natural gas compressor. This is a simple process diagram of CNG. And the many application is a cooking purpose and use as a cylinder, the store of cylinder and this vehicle. It is a process of CNG. Next point is working of CNG. Okay, means what is the advantage of CNG? So first advantage of CNG, the main is first is environment be friendly. Why is environment is friendly? Because the CNG is compared to gasoline and diesel to reduce the number of gases. Which type of these gases? Main is CO2, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide. Okay, to reduce the pollution. Means it is a environment be eco-friendly. Second point is CNG as a clean fuel. Okay. Third point is natural gas is produced very less hydrocarbon emission than to LPG and petrol. Okay, it is another point of this advantage of CNG. Then fourth point is CNG is economic. Okay, and the last is CNG is cheaper than this petrol and LPG. Means compared to very low cost compared to petrol and LPG. Okay, this is an advantage of CNG. Then next point is also the to save the money, means to reduce the cost compared to petrol, diesel and gasoline. It is a advantage of CNG. Then next point is what is the disadvantage of CNG? So first is CNG gas station is very limited availability. Means in country to state doesn't have any CNG station because it is of no use. In India, some state have good CNG station network. It is some limited spaces availability in CNG petrol pump. Okay. Then next point is CNG tank is required need to large space in our vehicle, means it is a very heavy that CNG cylinder tank. So it is effect of this reliability of an car performance. It is a disadvantage of CNG. The 2 points is of disadvantage of CNG. First is some limited space CNG station is availability in limited station. Okay. Then second point is the CNG tank is very need large space because heavy weight. So performance of this effect of this reliability of an car performance. It is a disadvantage of CNG. Okay. Second point is various properties of CNG. Okay. The first point, what is the main part of CNG, compressed natural gas, main part of methane, CH4. The chemical formula of methane is CH4, means carbon is 1 part and hydrogen is 4 part. Okay. Second point is octane number, means octane number of highest of CNG fueler is 120. What is the octane number? It is the octane number is anti-knock characteristics properties of fuel, means isooctane and heptane. The mixture of isooctane and heptane, means isooctane has 100 and heptane is 0. So what is the octane number is 100. Then third point is CNG fuel is very dry. It starts absorbing some of this lubricant in the chamber. Then also the CNG fuel burns at higher flash point at normal petrol. Then also it contains this primarily this methane, along with small amount of ethane, butane, propane. Okay, what is the formula of ethane? Butane is C2H6, then propane is C3H8 and butane is C4H10. It is a very small amount of content is present in manufacturing this process of CNG. Then also the byproduct, which is the byproduct of this gas is water vapor and carbon dioxide. It is another these properties of CNG. Then also it has the low flammability, this range, and the high ignition temperature. Okay, it is a very low flammability of this gas and this high ignition temperature. Okay, it is another these properties of CNG. Then last point, it is a very store and disturb in hard container at pressure at 20 to 25 megapascal. Also the cylinder tank is weight is 200 bar pressure. Okay, it is another point is store and distribute in hard container at pressure of 20 to 25 megapascal. Okay, and then release the less greenhouse gas because the CO2 is reduced. CO2 is reduced, so reduce the global warming and also to reduce the greenhouse effect. It is an advantage of CNG is environment be eco-friendly because the number of gases released are reduced. So it is another point of this properties of CNG, and then it is lighter than and hence disperse quickly in even of spillage. It is another these properties of CNG. This is a various properties of the CNG. First is what is the formula of methane, then what is the octane number of CNG is 120. Then CNG is very dry, it absorbs the sum of this lubricant in the chamber. Then CNG burn is fuel in higher flash point than this normal petrol. It contains this primarily is methane is main part and the very small amount of this ethane, butane, pentane and also the propane. The byproduct of this use of this water vapor and this carbon dioxide and this release the less greenhouse gases. It has the low flammability of gas and high ignition temperature, also the store and distribute this container pressure at 20 to 25 megapascal. It is the various properties of CNG. Okay, today we discussion about the simple definition of this CNG, then the what is the manufacturing this process diagram of CNG, then advantage, disadvantage and various properties of CNG. Thank you.